What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making cornbread tamale pie. This is a classic recipe that you can make home style or low carb as well. I've got instructions and ingredients for both. So first, take 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix, and this is optional, but you can add some sweetener if you wish. You can add 1/2 a cup or adjust to taste, and then add your salt and give all of those dry ingredients a good mix. And then take 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted, and add that to your bowl. And then take 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 2 beaten eggs, and then go ahead and give that a good mix. Do not over mix your batter. That will cause cracks in your cornbread crust. So just mix until those ingredients are combined, and then add 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Add more cheese if you wish. And then go ahead and take and set that aside and melt a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. I like to use a cast iron skillet for this recipe. And then take 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 cup of chopped green peppers, 1/2 cup of chopped red peppers, and saute those in the pan until they're soft and fragrant. And then add 1.5 pounds of ground beef, along with 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. And then give that ground beef a good breakdown. I like to use my meat chopper for this recipe. It breaks down the ground beef great. And then cook until the ground beef is fully cooked and no longer pink. And then add 1 cup of frozen corn and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Do not drain those diced tomatoes and green chilies, and then give that a good stir. Then you want to add your cornbread batter to the pan and spread it evenly throughout. I'm using a 10-inch cast iron pan, but a 12-inch pan will work as well. And then you want to bake that in an oven on 375 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. You should be able to test the cornbread with a toothpick. Insert it into the cornbread and return the toothpick, and it should be clean. And voila, there you have it, cornbread tamale pie.